In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips to be able to multitask without feeling overwhelmed. As you can see in this video, I am doing my makeup and you will see my phone on the side of the sink, and this allows me to be able to get 2 things done at once, but I'm not overwhelmed. I'm just listening. So sometimes I listen to an audiobook, sometimes I'll listen to an inspirational person on YouTube, I'll listen to a TED Talk. Sometimes I'll even just put on my favorite show like Friends so I can laugh and get a little like downtime and hear some comedy, but also get my makeup done at the same time for work. And then I'm not worrying about rushing around the house or, having to not be able to have that fun stuff listening to on the side.
Hey Siri, add bread to my grocery list.
Alright, I've added it to your grocery list.
As you can see here, when we get home from school, I sit with my children at the table while they do their homework. Instead of running around and doing chores around them, they need my full attention during this time to help them, prompt to stay on task. And also, if they have that question, I'm sitting there waiting for it. I will typically like to get some grades done. I will be answering parent emails. I sit with my son and he has a snack. But this is really a time that I just make sure that I sit with them while they're doing their homework, because if I don't, and if I'm trying to do the dishes and the laundry, I can't give them my undivided attention. And this is a time of day really where I can check in with them about their day and they can ask me any homework help questions, and it just works much better.
Anytime I'm cooking dinner and I have to preheat the oven, I'll go ahead, hit preheat, start, and then while that's preheating, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna find something else to do. Like I'm gonna go do the laundry, I'm gonna go do the dishes, I'm gonna find something to be productive while I wait for that oven to preheat. Another thing I like to do is that when I'm putting something in the microwave, I'll go ahead 2 minutes. This is the time I will use to run to the bathroom, or I'll do a quick check on the laundry downstairs and maybe switch a load over. I will try to answer a quick couple of emails or something. I never just stand here and wait. I will find some time to be productive so I'm not wasting time.
Okay, mamas, this is my best kept secret. So when I watch TV, because I watch TV just like everybody else, I just don't do it while sitting on a couch. I watch TV while I'm cooking dinner because, to be honest, I hate cooking dinner. So if I can watch a show or two while I'm waiting for the oven to heat up and waiting for the oven to cook my food, I literally just stand at my counter and I'll watch a show while I check on the food like I'm doing right now. Taste test the food, things like that. But I don't have time to sit on the couch and watch TV. I want to, multitask.